video lecture series of chemistry, in which today we discuss about how carboxylic acids are giving the names from the common name, what are those, the trivial name, formic acid, the formica, acetic acid from the acetum, propanoic acid, what are the butyrum, butyric acid, then the pentanoic acid. So different caproic acid, six carbon atom, carboxylic group. So how these the names of carboxylic acids are given, where the aromatic, where the aliphatic carboxylic acids are present in nature, as well as those are synthesized for human being, for the sustainability of human being. Certain carboxylic acids are useful for that. Well known, the tartric acid, citric acid, then we have the caproic acid, six carbon atom, a number of other mixed with carboxylic acid, even the oxalic acid, then unsaturated. Uh, so unsaturated carboxylic acid, whatever those, all those relevant with the nature, as well as whatever those can be synthesized in the laboratory. Simple International Union for Applied Chemistry, that can deals how the systematic name of carboxylic acids are given. The commonly those are the alkanoic acid, F2 carboxylic acid, alkane, dioic acids are there. Tricarboxylic acid, so those are the tricarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid, even the more where other functional groups are also attached. Methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, the valeric acid, then the six carbon atom caproic acid, hexanoic acid, methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, butanoic, pentanoic, hexanoic. So whatever all those are the related with the IUPAC name. Commonly alkanoic acid. Here the general formula of carboxylic acid itself is also relevant with the alkane. So alkane having CnH2n plus 2. Here because we have the alkyl group, for example CH3 and then COH. So CH3 itself is the part of the alkane, CnH2n plus 1, and then carboxylic acid group. So here what we can say, one carbon, two carbon, and three carbon. Unsaturation, carbon double bond carbon, and then carboxylic acid, that is the acrylic acid. Even more, so for example, hydroxy group can also attach to that particular carboxylic acid group, so that become, for example, the tartric acid. So different names, how we can say that particularly the namings of compounds came. One meaning the common name, whatever the origin of sources. For example, formic acid. So the origin of formic acid, this one, the distillation of the ants. So here ants are distilled, red ants are distilled, and then we get the formic acid. So one more thing is that their characteristics also vary. Why? Acetic acid, that is well known in the silica, that is well known in the different acids which we are used in the food, the preservative, but the formic acid, that is obtained by the, so Their characteristics also vary depend. We have the one carbon atom and then another hydro groups are attached. So let's we have to see the carboxylic acids how these are given. So well known the nomenclature of organic compounds, whatever there may be the chain, longest chain is selected. For example, if one to CH3, CHCOH, and below that is the CH3, so the longest chain rule, which one is the longest, the maximum number of carbon atom in the chain. Functional groups are selected, then the priority of functional groups are given. If hydroxy group, two functional groups are there, so which will be the better? Here, for example, carbon double bond carbon is present, one functional group, and another is the hydroxy carboxylic group. So that the dominance of that particular functional group. Here, carboxylic group and carbon double bond carbon remain as such. So that is the propanoic acid. The word organic compound comes from the organose, the life, various functional groups, whatever here already discussed. Here we have to concern about the carboxylic acid. And carboxylic acid, that one is the over here the carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, alkanoic acid, oic acid is to be added as a suffix, and that is the functional. Numbers already discussed: methane, eth, meth, eth, prop, bute, pent, and hexa. Hexanoic, pentanoic, whatever the common names are there, the butyric acid that relates with the butyrum, the propionic acid, that propionum, even the ethanoic acid that is related with the acetum. So various, but those are the common, those may be the derived, whatever the derived, if suppose chlorine is attached to the ethanoic acid. So chlorine, chloroacetic acid. So whatever the methyl, dimethyl acetic acid, that is the derived name based on the acetic acid structure. So there are certain the common, the trivial name, the derived name, and finally we get the IUPAC name because IUPAC names are must be all are the IUPAC names are recognized internationally. So not we have to concern about the trivial, common, or whatever the substitute substitute names. Now the alkanone, whatever the carboxyl hydroxy group, because here in case of the carboxylic group, hydroxy group is also attached, as well as the carbon double bond oxygen. So finally we get the carboxylic acid, and that carboxylic acid, carbon double bond oxygen, OH, so that will be what we get the CH3COH. In this particular case, ethanoic, the CH3CH2COH, propanoic, and then CH3, CH2, 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 CH2COH. So that is the six carbon atom. How? Six carbon atom carboxylic acids. So now we can say the namings of the well-known we have the various carboxylic acid I have discussed. This the general formula of carboxylic acid, and that general formula of carboxylic acid is the whatever RGOH. Further, their structural formula there may be the R. R it represents the alkyl group. Alkyl groups obtained by removing one hydrogen atom from the alkanes. So CH4, then we have the CH3 group, so methane to methyl group, then ethane, then ethyl group. So C6, so C2H6, that is the ethane. So C2H5 will be the ethyl group. Ethane, alkane, alkyl. Ethane, ethyl. Propane, propyl. Propyl, the further, that is also the isopropyl. So what about the isopropyl group? And then if suppose that have the carboxylic group is present, so there are certain isopropyl alcohol, then isopropyl group attached to the carboxylic group. So definitely that will be the different isomers of four carbon atom carboxylic acid. Whatever the common names, they are even more concerned of the carboxylic acid, because this is the combination of two functional groups, and two functional group, the carbonyl group as well as the hydroxy group. Hydroxy group is the alcohols, and carbonyl groups are the ketones and aldehyde. So carbon double bond oxygen and hydroxy groups are there. So that become the carboxylic acid. Here the common name, and however what about the origin of those common of those carboxylic acid. HCOOH. This one, whatever the general common name, HCO2H. So this is further on the structural. Then we get the R is carbon, double bond oxygen, carbon, single bond oxygen, single bond hydrogen. So in case of the formic acid, that is R is equal to H, then carbon, then double bond oxygen, and then single bond oxygen, then hydrogen. So this becomes the formic acid. The name itself, Latin, formica. Formica means ant, whatever the red ant undergo the process of the distillation, then finally we get the formic acid. Ant when bites, that particular area become very red, or whatever the skin is itself affected by bite of the ant. Then the second one, two carbon atom carboxylic acid, that is the acetic acid. Acetum. Acetum means vinegar, the silica, and three carbon atom carboxylic acid, that is the propionic acid, and the Greek, the first salt, whatever that is the related with the propionic acid. Butyrum, the butter we are using, that butter oils are used in various processing of food. Butters are used. Butyric acid, that is the four carbon atom carboxylic acid. Carbon four, and then hydrogen. Hydrogen, whatever in case of the butyric acid, for example, we can see here the four carbon atom carboxylic acid. This is the butyric acid. So CH3, CH2, CH2, and CO2H. So that further on the structure formula, four carbon atom linear chain, whatever branch, no branching is there, and CH3, CH2, CH2, COH, butyric acid. Butyrium relates with the butter. Then the five carbon atom carboxylic group, carboxylic acid, CH3, CH2, 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 COH. Valeric, Valeron. This is the Latin word. So whatever all those are related. So finally we get that they have the common name, they have the derived name, they have the origin for that. So those are also included in the naming of the compound. But in a systematic, whether these names are used internationally. So therefore, a systematic arrangement that is given by the International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. And that particular deals whatever those are the IUPAC rules, regulations are given for certain specific organic compounds, and those are added, whatever the substituent, whatever the functional groups, and substituent may be the alkyl group, substituent may be the halo group, substituent may be the nitrogen group, whatever those nitrogen. So the overall substituent, the basic, the common names are given, and as well as many other. So here we can get how the names were given: acetum, acetic acid, the butyl butyrum, that is the butyric acid. So all those are relevant with that particular answer. Formic, acetic, propionic, butyric, and valeric. So now the systematic again here can say, and that is the IUPAC nomenclature for the carboxylic acid. Here, the very simple concern, the parent chain, whatever the longest chain rule, and this parent chain is the longest one, and then continuous carbon chain that contain the carboxylic group, because that functional group must be included in that particular longest chain. More important is the functional group, because of that functional group, the thing that become the compound. So longest continuous carbon chain that contains the carboxyl group, carboxylic acid group, alkane or alkane, then we have to drop the E and add suffix oic acid. So simple one, methane, one carbon atom, carboxylic acid. So here methane and continuous long chain, whatever this is, one carbon atom, and from the methane E is dropped, and number of carbon atom 1. So methane is there. So methane oic acid. So this is the IUPAC name. In case of the second 2 carbon atom carboxylic acid, the well known ethane, E is dropped, so and oic acid. So the correct answer for this is the ethanoic acid. Then we have ethanoic acid from the acetic acid. Whatever we can in the general case, the acetum, the L for Latin word. So acetum means the vinegar. Here the ethanoic acid itself is whatever this is commonly used. Common name is the vinegar, acetic acid. But here we have to put the systematic order. So 2 carbon atom ethanoic acid is there. 3 carbon atom propione. Propionic acid is the common name of this propanoic acid. Both are confused. Whatever the propanoic and propionic. Propionic acid, 3 carbon atom, common name. So that the first salt, whatever we have seen in the first part of the PPT, first. So propionic acid and propanoic acid. What was the difference? A, propanoic acid. 3 carbon atom carboxylic acid. So propanoic acid, propionic acid. Propionic acid is the common name, and propanoic acid itself is the IUPAC name, International Union for. Then we have one more thing is there, and that is the 4 carbon atom carboxylic acid. But here one more thing is there, the longest chain having only 3 carbon atom. Longest chain carbon is having the three carbon atom, and that is the CH3CH, CH3, COH. So here we have to see CH3, CH, and CHCO. So one CH3 group is itself is as a methyl group. CH3 methyl group. So the three carbon atom in a straight chain. Naming of IUPAC, systematic name of carboxylic acid, CH3, CH2, COH, three carbon atom. But fourth carbon atom is in the form of isomer. So that CH3 group is here is a substituent. So three carbon atom, propanoic acid. At second carbon atom, one CH3 group is attached. So the name 2-methyl propanoic acid. However, if suppose this is a linear shape, the normal condition in the four carbon atoms arranged in a straight chain. So that CH3, CH2, CH2, COH. So that is the butyric acid. But here 2-methyl propanoic acid, isobutyric acid. So the longest chain is the three carbon, and then second carbon methyl group is charged. The another case, the bromine is attached. Whatever there may be, the two or more functional groups are attached to the same carbon atom of a carboxylic group. So here the naming, because at the second carbon atom, so the naming start from the functional group containing carbon, and that is from the COH. So COH become the first carbon, whereas the bromine attached to that is on the second carbon. So we start from the functional group. So the name itself is the 2-bromobutanoic acid. So this will be the these correctly tells us the IUPAC naming of those particular carboxylic group. Now, what we have one more thing is there, and that is the dicarboxylic acid. So how these dicarboxylic acids are given the names, the well-known names: carbon double bond oxygen, oxygen hydrogen, and here another carboxy COH group is attached with that particular, so carbon COH, then COH, so that become the oxalic acid. Now three carbon atom containing carboxylic acids. Here three carbon atom where two are the carboxylic group. So that become the dicarboxylic acid. So the name is itself is the malonic acid. Three carbon atom dicarboxylic acid, and that is the malonic acid. Here, if suppose we have to shift, add one CH2 group, and that become the four carbon atom dicarboxylic acid is the succinic acid. So in case of the succinic acid, you can say that here we can explain HOC, CH2, CH2, CO2H, succinic acid. So what about the succinic acid? Four carbon atom dicarboxylic acid. In case of the glutaric acid, here dicarboxylic acid, but three carbon atoms are in between two carboxylic acid, so that becomes the five carbon atom dicarboxylic acid. That is what we have, the glutaric acid. Five carbon atom are there, including the two carboxylic group. In case of the another adipic acid, adipic acid, six carbon atom dicarboxylic acid containing two carboxylic acids. So that is the why those are the dicarboxylic acid. In case of the pymalic acid, we have the two carbon atom and CH2 are the five. So 5 to 7 are the pymalic acid. So these are the examples of whatever we can have the dicarboxylic acids. Simple oxalic acid, then we have the malonic acid, the succinic acid, and we have the glutaric acid, and finally we get that is the different two carbox two, and that will be adipic acid and familic acid. Familic acid 5 2 plus 7. So this one is the great challenge for naming the compound systematically and with the use of their norms, their rules and regulation of International Union for uh, pure and applied chemist, and those are given whatever the number of carbon atom, one thing, whatever the chain, whatever the position of others, and whatever the functional groups. And functional group, if two functional groups are there in IUPAC name, then the priorities are given. For example, if suppose carbon double bond carbon and COH, two functional groups are there in a compound, and so that will be the LK, that will be the carboxylic acid instead of alkene, because CH2 double bond CH2, that is the ethylene. CH2 double bond CH and then CH3, that is the propyl. So if suppose CH2 double bond CH and CH3 is substituted by the COH, so that will be the another compound. So that will be alkenol. So priority is given that is more active. So carboxylic acids are more active as compared with the other organic compound. So let's adipic 6 carbon, glutaric 5, succinic 4, malonic 3, oxalic acid 1. Now, one more thing is there, and that is the represented one. Here, the carbon double bond oxygen and hydroxy group. Two hydroxy groups are there, and why this one is important, relevant with the carboxylic acid, and definitely RCOH is there, but two hydroxy group, and that become the carboxylic, the carbonic acid H2CO3, and one more thing is there H2CO3 and their respective salt, that is the sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So these are also relevant with the IUPAC system of the nomenclature of IUPAC. But how this we can get the particular sodium carbonate, the structure itself is also related with the carbon double bond oxygen and oxygen hydrogen. So that is the relevant of carboxylic acids. Now, here more acids are given and carboxylic acids are there, and how their naming are given, naming of carboxylic acid, but these are the concern of the combination, whatever the trivial, the common name, the systematic name, or whatever the other namings are there. Here, two carboxylic acid, whatever I have earlier discussed, the two carboxylic acid, and these are the alkane dioic acid, because one of the alkane, so oxalic acid, ethane, one, two, dioic acid, the IUPAC name. So, naming oxalic acid and ethane, one, two, dioic acid. In case of the malonic acid, two carboxylic group, the 1, 2, 3 propane, one position, three position carboxylic group is there. So 1, 3 dioic acid, succinic acid 1, 4 dioic acid, alkane 1, 4 dioic acid, the glutaric, the similarly we get the adipic acid and the palmitic. In case of the aromatic compounds, the benzene and its derivatives, and which contain the carboxylic group, phthalic acid, isothalic acid, tersthalic acid. So, what are these particular compounds and how they are useful in our life? Carbon, double bond, oxygen, and then OH. So carboxylic group and benzene, then dicarboxylic groups are there. So benzene dicarboxylic acid will be the name, yes or no? Instead of this, the common name is phthalic acid. So in case of the phthalic acid, what we have, the aromatic, the benzene ring, okay, benzene ring combined with the two carboxylic group, COOH. So that become the phthalic acid. But the carboxylic group is attached to the third position of benzene ring. So what happened? In that particular case, we have also the solution. So here the meta condition. So carbon combined with the meta position. The benzene ring having the meta 1,3 dicarboxylic acid, and in another case 1,4 dicarboxylic acid, the position on the benzene ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom benzene ring is there, that is the aromatic compound. So there are whatever the reaction mechanism also explain those particular dicarboxylic acid aromatic compounds, and here the third one phthalic acid isomer isophthalic acid 1 3 carboxylic group are there at one position and three position. In case of the main one position and two, those are adjacent. Here isophthalic acid, those are in alternative cases. Whereas across the benzene ring is the tartalic acid. So all of you know about that, how tartalic acid is useful for our concern, because that is one of the thermoplastic, and that is in that particular case the esters. Polyesters are the one of the class of the polymer. Now, unsaturation is also there. So, carbon double bond oxygen. However, earlier the unsaturation, but unsaturation in carbon double bond carbon, unsaturation in carbon and carbon bond. So that become carbon double bond carbon, and then we have to get, and that is attached to the carboxylic group. So that will be definitely here. The new answer is there, and the compounds new thing is there. So whatever one position, geometrical isomerism is also concerned here because of the carbon double bond unsaturation is there. However, unsaturation in carboxylic group was there, carbon double bond oxygen, and saturation with the OH group. But here, if carbon single bond carbon is there, and instead of that we have to carbon double bond carbon. So here two geometrical isomers are there, and malic acid, and then we have the fumaric acid. So malic and fumaric acid both are the geometrical, so that is also relevant with the nomenclature of organic of carboxylic acid. So here we can say that number of carboxylic acids are there, and systematic namings and relevant informations, whatever the dicarboxylic acid, whatever the tricarboxylic acid, and mono already we have, that is the simple one, and those are the combined form of a hydroxy and carbonyl group. So new functional group is generated by combination of hydroxy group by alkanol, and then we have the other things. So that is all about these: formic acid, acetic acid, formic acid, methanoic acid, acetic acid, ethanoic acid, propionic acid. This is uh, uh, propanoic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, and then valeric. So now we have the questions relevant with this. Whatever this one, CH3 whole of 3, carbon, CH2, COH. This one. The chains are there. CH3, carbon, then both side the CH3 group. So this is the tertiary butyl group is attached with the acetic acid. So tertiary butyl acetic acid. This is the name given as a the substituent. Those are the substituent are included in case of this carboxylic acid. So that is so now what will be the IUPAC name? The correct answer is the C. So 3,3 dash dimethyl butanoic acid will be the last answer. So the longest parent carbon chain consists of 4 carbon atoms, including the carboxyl group, and one methyl group attached to the tertiary carbon atom. The other two methyl groups act as a substituent on the carbon, and which is now the third carbon. Now, one more thing is there, the naming of carboxylic acids, and we have given one more, and C6H5. So, C6H5 origin, what was the IUPAC name of C6H5, and then CS2, then CS2, then carboxylic group. So, 2-phenyl ethanoic acid, which is the correct answer. 2-phenyl ethanoic. Yes. So C6H5, CH2, CH2, COH. Here, 3 carbon atom, CH2, CH2, COH, and those are the part of the propanoic acid. Here, the phenyl propanoic acid is the answer because we can say the 3 carbon atom, for example, one, two, three. Out of these three, the carboxylic acid come towards the second one. So here the propanoic acid itself is 3 carbon atom carboxylic acid. But if suppose in a propionic acid, one of the CH hydrogen is substituted by benzene ring. So the correct answer 3-phenyl propanoic acid. So phenyl group itself. So this is all about the compound has the group CH2CH2 COH is directly attached to a benzene ring. The preference is given to the carboxyl group and the compound is named as a whatever the name is the given. Now another question that is the tertiary acid. What about the tertiary acid? We have already discussed. This is one of the important compound in the fiber technology in the terene, tacron, and whatever the PET bottles. So those particular relevant with the tertiary acid. So tertiary acid itself is the dicarboxylic acid, whatever we have already discussed in case one of the compound, I think this one, not this one. So here what we have the TERE, iso, the meaning of iso, and in case of that, that is the phthalic acid. And here, if carboxylic group are shifted from 2 to third one. So this is isomer, isophthalic acid. In case of this, here the tertiary acid. So in case of the tertiary acid, those carboxylic groups are across the benzene ring. Whereas in case of the isophthalic acid, there is 1,3 position. Here, ortho, meta, and para positions are also indicated. Ortho means at the second carbon atom, and whatever the para means in the across the benzene. Here also one of the condition, meta condition also there. So isophthalic acid and tertiary acid. So correct answer, whatever I can mention. Okay. So here we can see. So which one will be the correct answer in this case? And the correct answer, benzene ring 1,4 dicarboxylic acid, because the carboxylic groups are arranged at the 1 position and 4 position. So terselic acid is an aromatic dicarboxylic acid of, with the 2 carboxyl group on the opposite end, and para position of a benzene ring 2-phenyl ethanoic acid consists of only one single carbon. Now, the next question, which of the following has the 2 carboxyl group in its structure? So, the correct answer is the succinic acid. Whatever we have already discussed, the carbon, 4 carbon atom compound in which the link one, that we suppose we have the 2 carbon atom compounds, that is, so which of the following has 2 carboxyl group in its succinic acid? What are not the correct answer? Cationic, cinnamic, and mandelic acid. So let's say we have the correct answer is the succinic acid. Succinic acid is a dicarboxylic acid with 4 carbon atoms in its attractive 4 carbon atom. Succinic acid is a dicarboxylic acid with a carbon atom in its structure. Its IUPAC name is butane dioic acid. Crotonic acid is but2-enoic acid, whereas the cinnamic acid, that is the separate one, cinnamic one, the carbon double bond carbon is there. So here that is the crotonic acid is but a 2-enoic acid, whereas the cinnamic acid and mandelic acids consist only a single carboxyl group along with the phenyl. So let's another question. Which of the following acid have a double bond in their structure? Alkenoic acid, carbon double bond carbon. So here one more. Which of the following acid have a double bond? Isobutyric acid, succinic, acrylic acid is the answer. What about the acrylic acid? I have also given that acrylic acid is carbon double bond carbon, then whatever the carboxylic group. So here acrylic acid, no. So correct answer is the C. The IUPAC name of acrylic acid was is pro-2-enoic acid, which indicates the presence of a double bond at the second carbon atom. The one next to the carboxyl carbon, and this is CH2 double bond CH, and then single bond carboxyl. So this one is the whatever the combination of two functional group. So the one next to the carboxyl attached carboxylic carbon. It's the general formula itself is this one. Now next one. What is the common name of simplest dicarboxylic acid? Malonic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid. And, here the simple, because two carbon atom, and that is the oxalic acid, not the acetic acid or the propionic acid, not the malonic acid. So whatever the confusion itself is, which compounds we are using. So oxalic acid having the 2 carboxylic functional group. Now one more thing is there, that is the butyric acid was first obtained from where we got. So the correct answer is butter, butyric acid. All of you know about the butter oil, and where we get the, that is the butyric acid. So butyric acid was first obtained from red ant, vinegar, rancid butter. So here the answer is rancid butter. Let's see. The common names of some carboxylic acid gives an idea of what it was first obtained for First, obtained from in nature, the butyric butyrum comes from the uh, Latin word butyrum. Butyrum means the butter. So butyric acid is also related. So let's we have already discussed number of compounds, number of carboxylic acids, and where the monocarboxylic acid, the naming of those monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, the systematic name of dicarboxylic acid, and we get lots of information relevance. And I suppose that all of you have the relevant informations and whatever the question itself is there that you have to learn lots of information whatever I have shared and again whatever the systematic names of these and the finally we can say the longest chain rule then the functional group at functional group which functional group will be favor hydroxy or carboxylic group. So that is whatever if suppose hello group is there, hello substituent is there. So the alkyl halide, not alkyl halide, that becomes the carboxylic. CH3 COH, that is the carboxylic, that is the acetic acid. But surrounding that, we have the more another. So two carbon atom carboxylic acid, oxalic, malonic, and succinic, glutaric, all those are also present in the natural products, natural things. Here, one more question is sodium carbonate and how we can get the sodium carbonate and then the sodium bicarbonate. So here, more is the dicarboxylic acid. So here also we can say, and here further the naming of these carboxylic acid are whatever the alkane oic acid, alkane dioic, alkane triose. So thank you for all for having the patience and having the listening. And I think all of you have get more and more relevant informations in my lecture. And if any query, then you can ask me the question on my mobile number. Those are given on the website of Suresh Gyan Vihar University. Suresh Gyan Vihar University is one of the international standard adapted modifications different and so this is whatever I am thankful to all of you then you have listened my video lecture and give me some likes from the organization and finally whatever I am uh, uh, giving that the class that is the particular international union for pure and applied chemistry. So all the best to all of you. Anyone can also join me with my mobile contact as well as my uh, email ID that is rc.shipa@myganvia.com. So all of you are also requested to visit our campus. That is one of the internationally adapted campus having the number of relevant courses from the diploma to the PhD levels. So all of you are welcome to it. Okay, all the best. Best wishes.